Every day, work is happening across your job site. But tracking progress still means highlighting drawings and chasing subs for updates. With no visual record of what's been done, you're forced to rely on secondhand updates, finger pointing, and gut checks. And legacy AI-powered solutions end up being slow, expensive, and hard to use. Progress AI changes that. Now you can track progress automatically. Just capture your site with a drone or 360 camera, and Progress AI does the rest. Get full progress breakdowns in minutes, not days, including percent complete and trade activity by date and location, and installed work across 80+ trades. Progress AI uses DroneDeploy's proprietary visual intelligence to analyze what's actually installed. And it's not just maps and charts. Progress AI is an agent you can communicate with. With built-in voice and text interactions, you can ask Progress AI for exactly what you need, like what percentage of electrical is completed on level 2, and get instant visual answers. Progress AI isn't just faster, it frees up your team to manage the work, not the paperwork. For supers, instead of manually tracking with highlighters, you now get a color-coded map and trade-by-trade breakdown, ready within minutes. Owners and developers get unbiased visual proof of percent complete, timestamped and documented in every room in 360 degrees. And project executives can replace secondhand reports with automated visual intelligence they can trust across the portfolio. And because it runs on DroneDeploy's unified platform, you get results from both the air and ground. One login, one source of reality. Trusted by the field and in the boardroom.
It was amazing being able to see that the AI was able to accurately pick up all of that information and process it that quickly. Blew my mind.
Say it's like having an extra superintendent who is capturing everything, documenting everything, so nothing is getting missed.
The superintendent saw this and he was like, oh my gosh, this is a thing. We can have this. I am so excited for this. I can find out who's falling behind, who's going too fast. Why didn't I have this before?
From highlighters to high performance, from trade stacking to trade flow, from delays and rework to productive conversations. Progress AI, your trusted AI agent. Progress reports in minutes, not days.